Very good afternoon, Lisha Khanna, Khanna Associates, South Delhi Properties, presenting you another investment option, 162 square yards, B2, Southern Enclave block, approximately 4 to 5 years old in construction, 2 car parking in the stilt area where I'm now standing at. ये है पूरा stilt area. So you're getting this particular property at a very, very good price, other than the market price that is available going on for a 162 square yards. अब लेके जा रही हूँ आपको ground floor की तरफ with this lift which is common for all the floors. This is a Schindler 6-passenger lift which has been derived with this ground and basement which is for sale. लेके जाएंगे पहले आपको ground की तरफ और दिखाएंगे what the floor. Just shown you this is the Otis 6-passenger lift in 162 square yards. लेके आ रहे हैं आपको main road से अंदर इस property के which is this one. So before we take you inside, we will show you what the main door looks like. A carved wooden work जो दिख रहा है इस beautiful से main door में. अंदर आते ही आपको दिखाएंगे the drawing dining area जो है ये. So this is a beautiful balcony facing drawing room area. सबसे बड़ा advantage आपको इस property में ये मिलेगा कि ये already rented out है. So you can have the advantage of a pre-rented property for a longer lease period जो already signed है in this particular property, and you can take that advantage कि आप investment कर रहे हैं और आपको किराया आएगा पहले दिन से. So this is what the property's drawing room looks like. अब मैं आपको लेके जाऊंगी towards the first bedroom, taking you towards the first bedroom which is on the front side with an attached washroom also. So this is what the first bedroom of this house looks like. So this is the first bedroom, attached cabinets, beautiful finish of the cabinets as well as you can see. बहुत ही अच्छा सा veneer का machine made काम. So 162 square yards में ऐसी अलमीराज मिलना आपके लिए rare होगा. इसके साथ वही फ्रंट बालकनी अटैच्ड है जो शेयर होती है ड्राइंग रूम से. काफी अच्छी बड़ी साइज की बालकनी है, सिटिंग एरिया के लिए भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. अब आपको लेके जाएंगे टुवर्ड्स द फर्स्ट front washroom that is attached, which is this one. So this is what the first front washroom looks like. टाइल का काम दीवारों पर और पत्थर का काम WC के पीछे और जमीन पर, along with of course Italian modular sort of fittings that are a part of this beautiful washroom. This is what it looks like. WC, the wash basin and the shower cabinet space all has Italian fittings. Taking you now towards the third and the most huge bedroom of this particular floor, which is this one. You can consider this as a master bedroom because इसके साथ हमारे को मिल रही हैं दो openings. एक ये है और एक पीछे से मिलेगा washroom. So this is a utility area जो attached है थर्ड बेडरूम के साथ. अलग से यूटिलिटी स्पेस दिया गया है. 162 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स का फ्लोर और उसके अंदर इतनी सारी फैसिलिटीज, बहुत बड़ी बात है. बैक साइड में भी सनलाइट के लिए प्रोविजन दिया गया है. सो ये शाफ्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ एन ओवरलुकिंग एरिया आपको दिखाया जाएगा. दिस इज अ वॉक इन क्लोजेट कॉन्सेप्ट जो लेके जाता है आपको थर्ड वॉशरूम की तरफ. सो दिस इज अगेन अ veneer बेस्ड अलमीरा जो आप देख रहे हैं. अगेन ऑल मशीन मेड क्राफ्टेड. थर्ड वॉशरूम beige sort of a conceptualized tile work along with the beautiful Italian marble work on the tabletop. Vitra fittings again as a wash basin and of course the WC and the other fittings as well. So this is what the third room looks like. This is a 3-bedroom beautiful house, Southern Enclave B2 block, 3-bedroom, 3 washroom, kitchen, drawing dining space, beautiful passage in the lobby area and of course backside shaft, utility and much more. B2 block available for immediate sale, pre-rented. रेंट आएगा आपको पहले दिन से, लीज ट्रांसफर करवा देंगे आपके नाम. So if you want any further visits or any more queries regarding the pricing or a visit, contact me on the number flashing on your screen. This is Alisha Khanna bringing you lots and lots of options worth the investment, pre-rented, rented, leased out farmhouses and much more, whatever you want to go for. Thank you so much for watching. Keep liking, keep subscribing, keep giving a thumbs up and I'll keep coming back with more such beautiful investment options for all of you.